rectangular tablecloth has a width of 5 meters and a length of 15 meters. How many meters of lace trimming should be bought to make these borders? Now, in this problem, we will use the formula perimeter is equal to 2 times length plus width. Now, we will substitute the given 15 for the length and 5 for the width. We will use the distributive property in order to multiply 2 to 15 and 5, which results to 30 and 10. The last solution would be 30 plus 10. We can now get the perimeter, which is 40 meters. Therefore, 40 meters of lace trimming should be bought to make its borders.